I'm trying out some new hair products by Ecolchi, and I'm super excited to see how they work. Since I wanted to test them out separately, we're starting with wash day 1. After washing, I used the Ecolchi Collagen leave-in conditioner cream. It has a light creamy texture and the smell is very, very nice. It's sweet, but it's not overpowering. It's definitely lightweight, which is great because I don't like anything too heavy in my hair. Once my hair dried, the results, we got big fluffy curls. I love how soft and bouncy it is. I decided to add just a little bit of the Ecolchi Argan oil hair serum. It's super lightweight, but just enough to give my curls a little extra moisture and shine. Now on to wash day 2. This time I wanted to experiment with the Ecolchi Collagen hair mask as a leave-in. The texture of this one is way thicker than the leave-in, which I was curious about, and when it dried I noticed a bit of a crisp to it, which I actually do like. It really helps to hold my curls in place. Even the underneath sections tend to go flat on me. My curls look super defined, separated, and smoothed over. I didn't even need oil this time. With that said, I did go a little heavy-handed with the mask. I think the best combo for me would be the leave-in conditioner all over, just a little bit of the mask to hold shape while drying, and a touch of oil to finish. Overall, I'm really impressed with these Ecolchi products. They each have their own benefit, and I can't wait to keep experimenting on my next wash day.